Need to make a Roblox Gamepass? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can make it. Start by heading over to any of the web browser and then move into the site roblox.com. You need to enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Tap on Create at the top of the screen. Now click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. And then click on Creations. Now tap on your experience and then move into it. Click on Get Started. Now scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of Create a Pass. Tap on it. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to make a pass. First of all, upload any of the photo that you want to upload. I have selected a random photo from my gallery. Once done, change the name for the pass. And then enter the description for the pass that you want to make. Once you have entered, tap on Create Pass. And there you go, the pass has been created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.